So suppose if I have 2 plus 3, no, sorry, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, and I want to add these numbers. So in that case, all I need to do is calculate or count the number of digits. So there are 4 digits. So I'll just say 4 into 4 plus 1, and that will give me 20, and that's my answer. Let's try it again. If I have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, right? In that case, I have 5 digits. So the answer will be equal to 5 into 5 plus 1, that's equal to 30. So that's my answer. Now if I have something else like 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. So how will I do that? In that case, I will assume that it starts from 2, and if it starts from 2, then the number of digits will be, so here the number of digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 digits, and these are also 5 digits, and these are 5 digits, right? So the total number of digits were 10. So I'll say 10 into 11 minus, because I don't want 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 in the series, so I'll subtract these from it. So it's 5 into 6. So that will give me 11, 0 minus 30. So that is the answer is 8. So that will be my answer. So this is a trick for even numbers. So how about odd numbers? So let's see odd numbers. So in case of odd numbers, the answer is much easier. So suppose if I have 1 plus 3 plus 4, no, plus 5 plus 7. So in that case, I have 4 digits. So the answer will be equal to 4 square, that is 16. You can see just a 4 square. Another example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, that will be equal to 5 digits. The answer is 5 square, that is 25. Now if I have something like 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, these are also 5 digits. So the answer will be equal to same approach that we used there. So the let me put a line here. So the answer would be equal to 10 square minus 5 square, that will be 75. So you can see that this is how you can add a number in series. Now what about just adding any number in the series? So suppose if I have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, and I want to add them together. So the formula will in that case, so we are 7 digits. So the answer will be equal to 7 into 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So that is 28. Now this is the formula. So the formula can be written as n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is number of digits. Right. Now if I use the approach which we talked about before, so let's look at the odd numbers. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 odd numbers. And talk about even numbers, so we have 1, 2 and 3. So 3 even numbers. So how can we use that approach? So for odd numbers, we just take a square. So 4 square is equal to 16. And for even number, we say 3 and 3 plus 1. So that is 12. So if we add this together, then 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. And that's our answer. So this is how we add the number in series. Now how this formula works, so let's look into that. So first of all, you can see that if I have 1, 2 and 3, right? Suppose if I want to add these three numbers together, so in that case, if I multiply this series by 2, so if I multiply everything by 2, that will become 2 plus 4 plus 6. So that become a number, even number series. So if you take normal or a regular series and you multiply by 2, that will become an even series, right? So we know that the formula for series is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and if we wanna multiply this by 2, then the left will be n into n plus 1. So that is how we get the formula for adding anything even in series. So this is even number series, right? So this is how we got the formula. And if you wanna see that how do we get this formula, then please check out our video which talks about how we add number in series, and the link is provided here. Now suppose if you want to add number in odds, so now look at this series. So this is the even number series, and if you subtract 1 from each number, so minus 1 and minus 1, right? So this will become 1 plus 3 plus 5. So if you subtract 1 from all those digits, then they will become even or odd series. So odd number series, right? And this was a even number series. So in that case, what you did is, from the total sum you subtracted the number of ones that is equal to the number of digits. So suppose if I have so we had this as a sum, so from n plus 1, this is a even series, and if you subtract the n from it, that will give us the odd series. So that will be equal to n square, odd series, because you subtracted n number of ones from the digits to get the odd series. So I hope this video helps and you also understand the concept, and I'll see you again in a next video.